everyone. So we are going to share our June month challenge experience with you all. We have made some questions which we will be asking and we will be discussing our experience with you.
Yes.
So what was our June challenge? Let's
Recap once.
yeah.
So, what was our June challenge? So, in June challenge, we have majorly focused on 4 things. First was home cooked food. Second was natural sugars. Right. Third was physical activity, yoga. Fourth is practicing mindfulness. Right. So let's get started.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, Shreya, I think you will read the question, or should I do the honor?
You can do the honors.
Okay.
We are going to discuss.
Yeah. So, what was the yummiest home cooked meal you had this month?
Okay. See, some home cooked foods I normally love, so that is okay. But
Yeah.
I tried some things like mainly desserts, which turned out to be good based on the natural sugars. So,
Yeah, I agree. I have tasted it. It was amazing.
yeah. What
Okay.
about you?
I think I really enjoy the whole process of eating at home.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for me, it's always khichdi. Like vegetable khichdi,
Khichdi and
vagari
dahi
khichdi.
khari.
Yeah. It's my favorite. Now, moving forward, which street food did you miss the most?
Pani puri.
She loves pani puri.
I am
She loves
fond of pani
Yeah.
puri.
Yeah, I miss ice cream. I don't care about the street food, but I miss ice cream the most.
Okay.
Did you make any healthy swaps that actually worked?
Yes, as I said, I've made loads of desserts which are based on natural sugars. So that was a healthy. But I used fruits instead of honey also. I haven't used honey. So that you can also check the recipes in
Yes.
our story highlight.
You want to ask?
You?
I don't know, man. Same as I told you, I am bit of a sweet tooth that way.
Mhm.
So I made chia pudding.
Yes, I have tried chia pudding.
Yes, I was waiting for it. And it was really good.
It was really good actually.
It was really good.
Yes. It was really good.
It was really good. Okay. So I think that
Mhm.
really works.
Okay.
One food you didn't think you'd enjoy but you love.
I am not that much. मुझे ये चाहिए. It's okay.
Yeah, she's not picky.
हाँ, I'm not picky, but I'm choosing some things. But वो बाहर का खाना ही होता है mostly. So home cooked foods I'm okay with everything.
Yeah. So for me, I think लंच में I guess
Mhm.
हमने एक बार दाल के साथ बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स इन दाल
Okay. Interesting.
खाया था.
Mhm.
I was not convinced with the whole idea and thought of it, but then बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. Like so दाल was थोड़ा तड़का डाल के वो तड़का दाल बनाया था and उसके अंदर वेजिटेबल्स एंड वो सब सौते करके थोड़ा ऐड किया था घी में. घर में सबको अच्छी लगी थी.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I'll try that.
Yeah, I'll share you the recipe.
Sure.
Check next. Any moment where you caught yourself emotional eating?
I don't think so.
No?
No.
My PMS was going and I was about to emotional eat.
Okay, it happens.
But I stopped myself because obviously June challenge.
Hmm.
And मैं ज़्यादातर आइसक्रीम ही खाती हूँ और वो नहीं था तो या हो नहीं पाया. But I think success था ना ये तो.
Yes.
It was a
it was
success. Okay.
आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Did you notice any change when you started eating slowly and mindfully?
नॉर्मली होता है कि यू फील वेरी हंग्री इन अ वे कि आपको लगता है कि सब कुछ खा लूंगी, बट एक्चुअली योर एपेटाइट इज डिफरेंट एंड द फूड इन अ पोर्शन विच यू ऑप्ट टू ईट दैट इज डिफरेंट. तो वो एक सेल्फ कॉन्शियसनेस आ जाती है कि यू नो अबाउट योर बॉडी, आपका एपेटाइट कितना है, आप कितना पोर्शन ले सकते हो. आई थिंक दैट इज प्रिटी मच अ गुड थिंग फॉर लाइक एवरी वन ऑल्सो कि वी विल बी ईटिंग माइंडफुली इन अ वे. तो हम ज़्यादा ओवर ईट नहीं करेंगे जिससे ब्लॉटिंग, एसिडिटी वगैरह के चांसेस भी कम हो जाते हैं.
True.
So that is one thing I observed. Yeah.
And एंड आई थिंक जब माइंडफुल ईटिंग स्टार्ट किया तो मेरे टाइमिंग भी शिफ्ट हुए. लाइक मेरी बायोलॉजिकल जो हमारी हंगर क्लॉक होती है या हंगर साइकिल होती है, तो वो भी आई कैन सेंस इट कि मेरा वैसे तो मैं थोड़ा अर्ली खाती हूँ बट लाइक बहुत परफेक्ट है, लाइक सन के साथ ही जा रहा था. एंड आई थिंक मेरा टाइमिंग्स, मील टाइमिंग्स मेरे काफी इम्प्रूव हुए हैं. एंड ऑल्सो या व्हाट यू वर सेइंग इज टोटली राइट. Okay, next. What help you to stay calm and grounded on tough days?
This is not just based on the June challenge. पहले भी like whenever I feel something is going very rough, तो मेरे thoughts भी rough हो जाते हैं. They also get tough, overthinking and all. It happens. तो what I do is I just try to channelize my thoughts. I self introspect, because ultimately 24/7 you are the only one who knows you. You only know your emotions, your mood, your thoughts. No one else is knowing about it. So in a way that is a very good thing जो हम adapt भी कर सकते हैं for our entire life. It helps.
Yeah. और तुमने वही कंटिन्यू करा.
Yes, I continued that.
Yeah, I think the idea of not resisting your thoughts and just let it go, you know, just process your thoughts जैसे भी है, just process it. And if possible अगर किसी को ऐसा हो तो keep journaling, like I do this, I journal my thoughts, I keep process my thought. एक पेज पे सब हो जाना चाहिए यहाँ से निकल जाए. तो वो thing, yeah, I understand what you are saying. I think it's good. Yeah. Okay, next. What physical activity felt fun instead of boring?
This was a challenge for me. To be honest, I haven't done 30 days exercise or yoga. At least I tried के 15 to 20 days कुछ भी like walking, exercise और yoga मैं करूँ. I tried. तो वो मैंने किया, but it was a challenge because lot many things are going on currently.
Yeah.
So वो एक time का backlog चल रहा था. So but still I tried at least 10 to 15 minutes जितना भी हो, I tried to do that.
Yeah, but what physical activity felt like fun?
I personally like that strength training जो हम बोलते हैं, like at home जो भी home workouts होते हैं. It's actually fun for me because I like to challenge myself in that kind of way. तो मुझे भी पता चलता है what my body is ready for. जो भी strength training like planks हो गया, push-ups हो गया और any squats and exercises जो भी related उसके होते हैं. So that was quite fun for me.
My definition of fun is very literal. So either I like dance. Yeah. Either I dance or I play something, badminton or pickleball. So that's my kind of fun physical activity, which you don't feel like you're doing an exercise or you know sweating so much, but you are doing all these things and it works. Next, what was difficult at first?
At first,
Can I say first?
Yeah.
Can
please.
I go first?
Yeah.
So for me, honestly, it's sugar.
Mm.
It was very difficult at first because, as I said, I love ice cream. I love thick shakes. I love all the like sugary drinks.
Coffee based also actually.
So it is very difficult for me to say no to sugar at first, but the results are amazing. My craving just vanished and I feel very light on my stomach. My energy levels are improved. So it was difficult for me, but I think it turned pretty good.
You know what I observe also, like sugar is very addictive.
Yeah.
अगर आप एक chocolate भी खा लोगे, you will want more sweet to have after that.
It's a vicious cycle.
Yeah.
What about you?
I guess exercising was the biggest thing to start, because for anything consistency is the key thing.
Okay, we'll go for the last question.
Sure.
Yeah. What was the biggest change you noticed? मैंने तो बोल ही दिया. I feel lighter on my stomach. Skin improve हुआ था, मेरी sleep cycle भी अच्छी हो गई है. And sugar का तो मैंने जो बताया, cravings का completely zero. तो I think यही है मेरा तो. What about you?
For me, see, मेरी body कफ प्रकृति है, so it tends to get more inflammation, तो वो inflammation मेरा reduce हुआ है, like in first 15 to 20 days में मुझे बहुत फर्क पड़ गया था. Around 3 kgs I lost in 15 to 20 days. I
Achievement.
guess. Yeah, it's an achievement.
So I think we wrap up our
Experience.
So yeah, we both lose some kgs, and it was a overall good and surprising experience for both of us.
Yeah.
So okay, thank you for listening.
You can also share your perspective on what we have discussed here.
Yeah,
So
we can also start doing that as well. We
actually-
can guide you now.
yes, sure.
Yeah.
We are always here to guide you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
Keep watching
see you.
us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.